So, just like the title, we're going to do a tour of the studio. So, the backstory on the studio is we used to have a large one-bedroom apartment in like a suburban, in a suburban neighborhood. But it was such a big apartment, and the only thing that we used was like the bedroom and the bathroom. We barely cooked at that time because we were working so many hours between Lance and I. So it was rare that we used the kitchen, and we didn't use the dining room, the living room, or the patio that we had. And we had it fully furnished, but again, we didn't use it. So we decided, why pay this much money? And the neighborhood was just so boring. And we had a Mercedes that was just sitting there because we like to exercise and be healthy. We like to walk around. We like public transportation, and we like to interact. So we sold the car and we decided to move downtown to a nice studio apartment where, believe it or not, we're so close to everything. We're like in walking distance of everything. We take the bus if we want to, and we saved about maybe $400 between rent and utilities. So it's awesome. Um, so yeah, this is the apartment. You walk in through the front door here. There's an intercom. The intercom does not work. Then you come in to the bathroom. This is where the beauty magic happens. So a lot of our beauty products are in these drawers. You can see that I have some laid out. That's for the next video that I'm doing, probably after this, which is a product review of Maybelline's new Super Stay, which is a full coverage foundation, and it is supposed to be something else. So don't forget to check it out. So moving on, we go down the hallway, and we have some closets here and, some storage space for Lance and I. And then as we're moving, we come into the main living area. Let's see if we can... There, sorry, the bed is messy, but that's because we were moving stuff around because we just got a 73-inch television. Check it out. It's a big mamma jamma. So here we go. Let's see if you can see it in contrast. There you go. It's huge, right? Huge, right? Yeah. So we've got the kitchen in the back, as you can see. So we got the couch. Look at how cool that is. We just got this stuff yesterday. Nice Coca-Cola towel and the French fry throw pillow. So yeah, this is our dining area right here, and we got some hats from our collection. It's a picture of my older brother, me, Lance, and a friend of ours, and then my baby picture up there. So cute, right? Then we got the main kitchen area right here. This is where the cooking magic happens. This time we actually do cook. We cook a lot. We cook almost every night. So you could see that there's a mess right here. We've got cookies out, shortbread. What are these? Fudge stripe shortbread cookies. They're freaking delicious. So yeah, this is the kitchen area. It's so cute, right? And then when we have it divided by this lovely, lovely couch. And there goes my baby messing with the computer there. Right now we have the laptop hooked up to it. So we're watching movies from online and shit like that. And then we've got some, pictures of us hanging. These are very special memories. See? These pictures are also available on my Facebook, by the way. So we've got, memories of us. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. We've got this is our special stress relieving corner that Lance is at. The reason why we call it a stress relieving corner is because under it there's a foot massager. And this foot massager is the bomb.
It heats up too.
It heats up. So that's why That's why it's the stress relieving corner. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And like I said before, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. For the entire year of 2018, we're doing prize giveaways. We're doing at least 1 to 2 prizes a month, maybe sometimes 3. It depends, because these are coming out of our finances, and it's just our way of showing you. It's just our way of showing you our appreciation for you supporting us and watching our channel. So thanks for watching. Stay beautiful. Love, peace, and hair grease. And I'll see you on the next video.